Hi, I'm Steve Ashkin. I'm CEO of the Ashkin Group and Green to Sustainable and proud to be co-chair of ISSA Sustainability Committee. When getting started on your sustainability journey, I want everyone to really think about the mantra that you can't manage what you don't measure. So the first thing I really want to encourage you to do is to learn about sustainability, get started, and know that you're really making a difference in the world. One of the suggestions that I have, especially for people getting started, is join ISSA Sustainability Committee, because you have to learn about the issues. We're there to be the experts for our clients. So it requires you to know what it is you're talking about and to walk the talk. Do it in your own organization, and then you'll be much more positioned not only to save money and make money within your own organization, but truly being a resource to all of your clients.